Hey everyone, I want to show you something new that we're going to use this week in our module, and that is the use of the website Sightreading Factory. And so I'm going to kind of walk you through this first assignment and also kind of give you an explanation on how we count rhythms. When you go to the module and you'll click on the Sightreading Factory Rhythm Practice, it'll prompt you to load it in a new window, so do that. You can watch this video on your own if you want, but I think it just tells you more than you need. So after you watch this, you'll know everything you need to know. So just click I'm ready to try the assignment. First thing it's going to do is tell you to test your microphone and make sure that it works. So you click this red button. Hello, hello, hello. Yep. Okay. And then if it says you click allow to use the microphone, it'll pop up right there. Hello, this is Mrs. Jones. See, I'm testing it and the lines are working, so that means it's working. And you can listen to it and see, but I know it worked. So, yeah, I guess they want us to check it. Hello, this is Mrs. Jones. See, I'm testing it and the lines are working, so that means, okay. So if it sounds weird and you want to try it again, you can, but if not, just hit sounds good. All right. And then everything is already set up for you in this assignment. The instructions say record yourself reading this exercise on numbers. I'm going to explain to you what that means in just a second. You'll notice that you have 30 seconds to study it, but you can do this as many times as you want. You're just going to read 4 measures. The tempo is already set for you. You have unlimited attempts. The metronome will be on, and there'll be a cursor to follow along with. So I'm going to click Start Assignment. All right, it'll look like this, and notice it's already counting down. And what I'm going to do is study this line for a second, and then when that countdown gets done, it's going to count me in, and then it's going to try and get me to record this rhythm. All right. When you're reading a rhythm, you're only saying a number if there's a new note on that beat. So, for instance, in this first measure, I would just say 1, 3, 4. I don't say 2 because this half note takes up beat 2. I'll show you what I mean. 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1. I know I said that last one funny, but that's how you say it because that whole note takes up all 4 beats. And so you're only saying a new number if there's a new beat. So then what you can do is you can listen to it and see if you like it. And there are a couple different ways you can do that. You can listen to just you, or you can listen to you saying what you just did with the synthesized audio, or you can hear just the synthesized audio, sorry, or you can hear it with it together. I like this one because it kind of shows you if you're right or not. Let's listen to what that sounds like. Then you hit play. One, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1. I know that's kind of weird because it is playing a pitch while I'm saying that, but this is just us speaking the rhythm. We're not singing it or anything. So don't worry about the fact that there's a note with it. We're just trying to hear that you're saying it on the correct beat. Okay, that was fine, but I want to do another one so you can see again how to do it. And it'll give you a new assignment. So I'll hit try again. And again, I have 30 seconds. Look at this second measure here, okay? Every time you see one of these bar lines, it starts over at 1. So here in this measure, you have 1, 3. And the reason I didn't say 2 or 4 is because there's no note that started on beat 2 or beat 4. All right, and so and look at this third measure. It's 1, 3, 4. All right, so listen to me read this line and see if you can follow along. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1. Hopefully that made sense to you. Okay. And then if I want to check it, I can listen to my recording. I showed you that already, but I'm going to say try another just so I can tell you a little bit more about it. Okay. Yep, I want to try again. All right. On this one, nothing too tricky. I've got half notes in this first measure, so I'm going to say 1, 3, because again, you're only saying a number if it's on a new beat, if it starts on that beat. All right. So here you just say 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you say 1, 2, 3. And on this last one, you just say 1. It's like when you call your mom and she doesn't answer and you make it several syllables. That's how you do it on this last one here. So I'll read this one for you now. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. And then let's assume then that that you liked that one. You could hit submit, or again, you can always try another. This is the last one I'm going to do to give you an idea. Okay. All right, here we go. Try one more. Notice up here at the top, this is counting you down to know how long you have to study. Then when it gets to 0, it's going to count you in. It'll give you 4 prep beats right here. It'll light up red so you know that you got 4 beats before you come in, and then you start talking. You're also going to notice that cursor follows you all the way along here so you kind of know where you are. You just want to keep a nice steady beat and stay with that click of the metronome. Okay, let's see if you can see it here when it comes in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. And in theory, if I was happy with that, I would hit submit and can do that. But you can do it as many times as you want if you want to just do it extra times for practice. But if you feel happy with it, then you can turn it in. But again, you can check it here. This is just you by yourself. This will play, it'll just be a piano playing it in rhythm. And this one plays you speaking it with that piano behind it, just to kind of see if you're saying it on the right beat. It's not going to tell you if you're saying the right number, however. So you remember, you're just saying a number on any note where there's a new beat. And again, we're in 4/4 for this exercise. So you're only going to be counting 1 through 4. And when you see one of those bar lines, you start back over at 1 every time. Hope this helps, and we'll continue to work on it if it doesn't. And good luck to you.